President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ebabigambira izoba lya nyuma ebazyo obwabire nabugana habebembeze n'abandi bakuru abetabira mu ruterane rwa African Union Extraordinary Summit uruhendire nyuma ebazyo ari Munyonyo Resort Kampala wanyuma y'ebiro bishatu kandi rwetabirwemu abajenyi bari kurenga 2,000.
As you can see, Uganda is a very rich country. We have got everything. But the problem was organization. How to organize the country in a modern way. So we identified the 4 sectors: commercial, agriculture, manufacturing, services, tourism, hospitality, professional services, and later on, another sector, ICT. That's how the economy has been growing quite well.
Kurujirra hari mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Afrika ino bushoborozi ubwo kwebisaho batamana mu bintu ebiri kubayamba omukutungura amahanga.
It is possible for Africa to grow. We have got everything. It is just ideological, philosophical, and strategic mistakes that make our countries lag behind. Therefore, if we meet and share ideas like we have done now, we are going to sort out all this.
Okwayo butumwa bwo kuchinga ho mukoro gu chairman wa African Union Commission Mausa Fachi Muhammad asimira government ya Uganda abwo bugwaje obubahirwe biro byona eva mazuru mu Uganda abwo ruteranoro.
Desta cimeira, que são principalmente os de construir sistemas agroalimentares robustos, resilientes, inclusivos e sustentáveis, tendo em vista o crescimento econômico sustentável e a prosperidade partilhada.
Orteranoro rtebekanisiwe African Union Commission na African Union Development Agency New Partnership for African Development amaramwa ogubire nukugira Building Resilient Agri-Food System in Africa. Omugandi abakugu okurgo mu State House batandikire hururu yo kushomesa eminyeto omubyaro aha kuhinga no kurisa n'ekigendererwa cyo kurwanisa ibura ry'emirimo kandi hurureji etandikire mu bihorobo lyantonde.
Abanyamakuru abakukiro bwingi ninga tuzire ntukoncentratinga munonga aha mwoga gwitunka abanyamakuru oshaka ngo twagira side business ninga twagira project eri kutahiza nk'abanyamakuru
baba ngambi nti mulimu ebikamba desiment wali ebikabye mwanya hatu endabe nti mulimu cutting n'ekikache kirala cutting yali wano kati bangambi kyekike kirungi nange njagala ngende niyo ntandika n'ebikolo 10 ntandike n'ebyo ntandika okulima emwanyi kuba kati emwanyi eri kabeyi nange ngo amawulire sobola okubeera nga nejjayo mu bwavu
gwanga lyonna binyo lwa bwavu bolaba omuntu alese project nga zino ate nga ziteeka mbavubuka ngaffe bannamawulire nkakasa b'omatizanze nonkakasa nti kino ekintu kisoboka naye ngenda kimatiza abantu enkuyanja eyo wansi oba abantu ba bulijjo.
Hariho amasiko ngo eminyeto yatamani omukuhinga no kurisa nibiza kuciha mu cyango ahabwe ntunguka.
Mugamba barurede kurisa enkoko turya hato tumanye buri muntu twaza kumuha enkoko zinga baba bari 5 ezo n'enkoko maybe 15 aba bari bangahi then tumanye abeineho amataka gako basa kuhinga ebitu nka 10 bimwana then manye nti abantu 15 bariya ebyo n'ebituru 15.
Ekisima mama Debula tuwadde mwanye gye yatumye Debula njagala tugenda gikozesa bulungi
loto batakirayiwe mwana w'omuntu koreka ekiroto zakwe nokorera ekiroto kyaranga kwena gwakiriza ekiroto ekyo ekiyagambire cyakira ninga cyakira.
Abahati ne bahandika bari kwenda amatungo n'embebo zo kuhingwa. Gashakwa Abdukarim Sengendo na Sandeke William.